Hello my dear viewers, welcome back. In the last video, I have explained you the lesson number 16 of grade 5 EVS, that is our India political and cultural question and answers. Till question number 42 I have explained you. Now we will continue from question number 43. If you want that video, I have put the link in the description box. You can easily refer from there. Now let us start. Question number 43. What is election? Answer: choosing people's representative. Question number 44. Mention an important part of the election process. Answer: polling. Question number 45. What is voting? Why is voting important? Answer: voting is an important means of expression of a voter's will. It makes representation of all people possible. It is citizens' duty. Question number 46. Why did they given symbols to the candidates? Answer: illiterates can vote with the help of the symbol of the candidate of their choice. Write the defects of democracy. Answer: money and muscle power may be used to get votes. Caste, community, language, religion, etc. may influence voting. Sometimes elected members resort to defection from one party to other. Question number 48. Explain the process of election. Answer: filling of nomination by the candidates, canvassing by candidates and supporters, voting on a date already fixed, announcement of a result on the day fixed in calendar of events, publication of the list of successful candidates. Question number 49. What is the purpose of self-government? Answer: to establish self-government in villages and towns, the empowerment of SC, ST and women by providing reservation of seats, to activate administration by delegation of power. Question number 50. Who are the members of the Grama Sabha? Answer: all those aged 18 years and above will be member of Grama Sabha. Question number 51. What categories of people have reservation in Panchayat institution? Answer: SC, ST, other backward communities and women have reservation of seats in Panchayat institution. Question number 52. What are the sources of income for Panchayat Raj institutions? Answer: sources of income for a Panchayat are the grants from government, Zilla Panchayats, taxes and rent from the people of the locality. Question number 53. Which cities in Karnataka have corporation? Answer: Bengaluru, Mysuru, Belgavi, Mangaluru, Gulbarga, Hubli, Dharwad and Bellary. Question number 54. Mention the sources of income of city corporations. Answer: government gives grants, property tax is another major source of income, water cess, health cess, education cess, reading room cess, baggery cess, fire cess and rents are the sources of income. Question number 55. How many city corporation are there in Karnataka? Answer: 7. Question number 56. Explain CEO. Answer: Chief Executive Officer. Question number 57. Who is the Chief Officer of Jilla Panchayat? Answer: Executive Officer. Question number 58. Name any two standing committees. Answer: Education and Health. Question number 59. Write the main function of a Panchayat. Answer: main function of a Panchayat is to take up development works in the area. Question number 60. How many local bodies in urban areas? Name them. Answer: there are 3 local bodies for the urban area: Town Panchayat, Nagarapaliks, Mahanagarpaliks. Question number 61. Explain the functions of the Zilla Panchayat. Answer: preparing annual plan for the development of Zilla Parishad area, providing relief to victims of natural calamities, monitoring of the comprehensive development program of the district, monitoring of government schools in the Zilla Panchayat. Next, multiple choice questions. Question number 1. Give an example of public property. A house, B train, C computer, D school. Answer is B train. Question number 2. Give an example of private property. A house, B bus, C business, D Vidhan Saudha. Answer: A house. Question number 3. What is on set? A setup, B start, C business, D historical monuments. Answer: historical monuments. Question number 4. Public property is known as: A people property, B our property, C common property, D government property. Answer is D government property. Question number 5. Tax means: A money collected compulsorily by government, B money is paid by the employees, C money is cut for the income tax, D money is paid as a foreign duty. Answer: A money collected compulsorily by government. Question number 6. Citizen is called: A foreigner, B stranger, C alien, D resident. Answer: D resident. Question number 7. Chamundeshwari temple is located in A. Bangalore, B. Channapatna, C. Mandya, D. Mysore. Answer D. Mysore. Question number 8. Each candidate is given at the time of election A. Car, B. Security, C. Symbol, D. Bungalow. Answer C. Symbol. Question number 9. A name and symbol of candidate is called as A. Selection, B. Election, D. C. Voting, D. Counting. Answer C. Selection. A. Selection. Question number 10. The terms of panchayat is A6, B5, C7, D10. Answer B5. Question number 11. Urban areas have the type of panchayat is called A. Village, B. Town, C. Grama, D. District. Answer B. Town. Question number 12. Grama Sabha meets at least A3, B4, C2, D1. Answer C2. Question number 13. The number of city corporations in Karnataka at present is A7, B5, C3, D10. Answer A7. Next main, fill in the blanks. In that, number 1, the official language of Goa is Marathi. The capital city of Nagaland is Kohima. The name of the present Chief Minister of Jammu Kashmir is Mehbooba Mufti. Number 4, the present President of India is Pranab Mukherjee. The present Governor of Karnataka is Vayubhai Rudabhai Wala. Number 6, recently Andhra Pradesh was divided into Simandhra and Telangana. Number 7, the present Prime Minister of India is Narendra Modi. Number 8, the present Chief Minister of Karnataka is Siddaramaiah. Number 9, roads, railways are examples of public property. Number 10, when we damage public property, we harm ourselves. Number 11, historical monuments are a part of our country. Number 12, our clothes, shoes, etc. are examples of personal property. Number 13, it is our duty to protect public property. Number 14, tax money will be wasted if public property is destroyed. Number 15, public property is all our assets. Number 16, government and other organizations have built them for the use of all people. Number 17, citizens are the permanent residents of this country. 18, membership of a country is citizenship. 19, foreigners are different from us in dress, language, etc. 20, obedience is to the laws of the country. 21, democracy is the political system. 22, all people are equal before the law. 23, democracy is the popular system of government. 24, if the people are wise, democracy will survive, otherwise it will be lost. 25, each candidate is given a symbol. 26, we should form a queue at the bus stop. 27, urban areas have town panchayat. 28, terms of panchayat are 5 years. 29, Grama Sabha forms the first step of the panchayat system. 30, Zilla Panchayat will have many committees. 31, executive officer is appointed by the state government. 32, municipality will be administered by the chief officer. 33, commissioner will be chief officer for corporation. 34, Grama Sabha meet at least 2 times in a year. Okay. Next here, match the following is there. You can write this match the following, and here I have given the answers. You can refer and you can match by yourself. Here is the second match the following. This also you can write by yourself and you can match the answers. Here I have given the answers, you can match. Here is the third match the following. You can write this as same and you can match with the answers. Here are the answers for that. Here number 4th one will come. Number 4th match the following. Same here. On the left side you have to match for right side. Here also answers are given. Okay, so this is all about your lesson number 16, Our India Political and Cultural. If you want the other lessons question and answers also, you can subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.